Hi guys, good morning. I hope you're having a great weekend. Let's do the weekly outlook for euro dollar and gold. As you could see, we are on the euro dollar weekly chart as of now. Our swing structure is bullish, our internal is bullish, price mitigated, the discount area, also all the FVGs within the internal weekly range have been fully mitigated. This means that as long as the weekly internal is bullish, we are hunting for this buy side liquidity. If this shifts bearish, then only we can confirm that these weekly fair value gaps are the next drawn liquidity. For now, this buy side liquidity based on the very clean weekly structure remains our next drawn liquidity. Now let's go and look at H4. On H4, price had shifted heavily bearish during the FOMC days, and then NFP actually reversed the trend, and now we are bullish on the H4 order flow. This is the weekly buy side liquidity level that we had marked here, which you see here. That's this one. Now if price were to mitigate the weekly buy side liquidity in the incoming 1 or 2 weeks, then this H4 fair value gap needs to hold. So the plan then becomes very simple for the coming week, that we wait for this H4 fair value gap to get mitigated and then try forming our long entry. So the bias on euro dollar is very bullish, especially after the NFP movement during Friday, which you see here. Really, it swept liquidity, shifted bullish with volume, so it's like an H4 MSS with volume. So we know now what to do when it comes back to the H4 FVG. Now let's go and check out gold. On gold, our swing structure is bullish. Our internal is bullish. Price had mitigated the only available fair value gap here in the internal leg, and it had given a bullish initiation. This means that this buy side liquidity is the drawn liquidity. In a scenario where price wicks this high and then shifts bearish, then only we can say that these weekly fair value gaps are the drawn liquidity. For now, this buy side liquidity seems to be the drawn liquidity based on the weekly structure. Let's go and validate it on H4. On H4, again, price on Friday completely nullified the bearish momentum of the previous week and shifted bullish on H4. So this is like a nice H4 MSS with volume. People who follow me would understand what I mean to say by H4 MSS with volume. Now if you look at this H4 fair value gap, this is like a nice area to look for long entry given our bias is bullish. So the plan is very simple. We wait in the next week for price to come to this area and then give us a signal that now the bids are stepping in here, and now we would be hunting for more asks. So this is the weekly outlook for gold and euro dollar. Let me know in case you have any comments or questions in the comment section, and I wish you a wonderful week ahead. Thank you so much.